Well, the front walkway here was never level. We moved in about 6 months ago. We knew it was a problem when we moved in the first big heavy rainfall. We saw that everything ran down to this area right here in front of the front door, and just formed a big pool. We couldn't go in through that way, so we'd have to go in through the back door. To fix that problem, we got in touch with Lowcountry. They sent out a guy to give us an estimate. Very professional, and Milton did the job. Very courteous. They used the poly. It was very non-invasive. You'd never know that. Just by looking at it, you'd never know that we had any work done. Someone walking up along the walkway would never know that we needed to have it leveled. Just coming in to see the finished product, I mean, you'd never know. I'd certainly refer Lowcountry. Again, very professional, and that goes a long way with customers, I think.